Hi, I'm Bob Bowden, founder and president of Bowden Properties, Bowden Development, our spec building company, and the new Aspen Design Room on Main Street here in Aspen. I'd like to talk to you today about two aspects of real estate in Aspen, whether you're selling or whether you're buying. And I want to share with you why and how we feel Bowden Properties is the best qualified to help you sell your property for the most dollars at the closing, or if you're buying, to negotiate the best deal possible at the closing. Bowden Development started off as a brokerage firm 31 years ago. It wasn't long before I took my engineering background and we decided to actually become a general contractor, to become a developer to build homes, which then caused us to become interior designers, because we felt that there was an Aspen aesthetic that we understood and we could capture better than anyone. As a general contractor, we can discuss pricing for remodeling, pricing for upgrading, pricing to make the changes that every buyer considers when they're looking at a home. They may not want to do it immediately, but they'd like to know that they can future-proof their vision so that down the line the home can be converted into something, an extra bedroom, an extra rec room, the theater. We can help people understand the interior design consequences of new furniture, new paint, new lighting. We can help buyers understand their vision better than anyone in the marketplace because we have all these levels of expertise developed into our company, Bowden Development. We help buyers understand thoroughly what they can do with your home if you're selling. And if you're the buyer, well, who better to consult you on the purchase than someone that has an expertise in every single area of real estate and has been buying and building real estate ourselves here for 30 years. For that reason, we think Bowden Properties is the finest listing agent, and we also think when it comes to buying, we're your best representative with your interest in mind, so you have eyes wide open throughout the entire process. If any of this sounds interesting and you are interested in selling your current home, or if you're interested in purchasing a new home in Aspen, we don't think there's a better company than Bowden. We hope you give us a call, and we'll let you know what the voice of experience can really do for you.